Hello everyone and welcome to the video today. In today's video I'm just going to be talking about something, one of my favorite websites that I use to make a little extra money. This is a survey site and I've talked about it before if you are familiar with any of my other videos, but this is literally one of my favorite ones. I use it every single day. I actually keep it open in a tab anytime I'm using my computer. Okay? And so this is called Paid Viewpoint. And one of the reasons I absolutely love this is because absolutely anybody can do it. It's a survey site, but unlike some of the other sites out there, you don't have to pre-qualify for the survey. So if you're seeing that there's a survey waiting for you, you're going to take that survey, and as long as you complete it, you'll get paid. You're not going to find out 5 minutes into it that, oh, sorry, you don't qualify for this one. You know, try this one. That's not going to happen, okay? You're already pre-qualified, if you will, because of what you filled out in your profile. Okay, the demographics and all the questions they ask you when you first sign up. So all of these surveys are going to be ready for you to take and get paid for it. That's why I love this. I really hate those sites where you have to pre-qualify, because I got to be honest with you, I never qualify for those, and it's a big waste of my time. This one, however, is not a waste of my time. So I'm going to leave a link in the description. You can check it out for yourself. One of my big tips, of course, is to, first of all, use it every day. Log into it or have it always open on your computer. And then also fill out your demographic information when you sign up. That's how you're going to get these surveys. And then the more surveys that you do, the more you're going to get. Okay? So don't get discouraged, especially at first. You're not going to get a ton of them right at the beginning. Just keep plugging away at it, and then eventually you'll start getting like what I do. I get probably 5 to 6 a day, and that's why I keep it open during the day. Okay, so let me show you how easy these questions are. I have the survey pulled up right now, and here's question number 1. It says, you are female and your employment status is... You're just going to answer the question. Now, this pertains to me, okay, obviously. Like I said, it has to do with some of your other questions. They ask these kind of surveys occasionally to make sure you are who you are. Okay, so number 2, are you looking to sell your house or condo within the next 12 months? No. Have you switched from a Samsung manufactured smartphone to another manufacturer in the past? Yes, I have. If you participate in the survey, you will be shown certain confidential information that is property of a major manufacturer. Okay, so they're just basically asking me to keep it confidential, so I'm going to agree to that. Number 5, it asks, are you or any member of your households employed? Okay. Media, company, no. So, none of those. What is the main type of toothbrush you yourself use? Manual. Which of the following statements best describes your attitudes toward an electric toothbrush powered by a rechargeable battery with a cord that needs to be plugged into an outlet to be recharged? What is the highest amount you are willing to spend on a rechargeable toothbrush? I mean, maybe $20 to $50? I don't know. Okay, number 9, which of the following have you researched or purchased in the past 6 months? Oh, okay, so just pick whichever you've looked at or researched. And number 10, which of the following museums, if any, have you visited in the past year? I haven't visited a museum this year, so. Do you travel on business? Yes. Which of the following have you researched or purchased in the past 6 months? And what is your sexual orientation? Hetero. What GPS navigation system do you have for your vehicle? Which statement best describes your cell phone usage? Contacting friends. Okay, so for that very simple survey, I received 10 cents. Okay, that's that's how easy it was. That literally took me like 2 minutes. And I was actually going a little bit slower just because I wanted to make sure that I was reading the questions out loud to you, so giving you time to see them. But honestly, they don't take that long at all. And you get anywhere from 10 cents to, I've had, the highest one I've ever had paid, I believe, for one survey was $1.25. But typically they tend to be around 10 cents, 30 cents, sometimes 50. And they're just that simple. So like I said, if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link in the description. As you can see, my earnings right here is currently is $9.35. I actually just recently cashed out. And just in case you're wondering, I'll show you here. You can cash out when you reach $15. So I need $5.65 more cents to be able to cash out. And it won't show me right now. You have to wait till I can cash out. But you can cash out with Amazon, PayPal, and I think a Walmart gift card if you want. I typically just do PayPal. I think one time I did the Amazon because it was Christmas time, and I like to use Amazon to get some Christmas gifts, so I just did that. But and it's very simple. I've actually done a video where I cashed out. I'll show you how to cash out. And I'll probably do that again once I reach 15, probably in the next day or two. But it's just a button. You've set up all that information in your settings, your PayPal address and all that stuff. So you just click which one you want, and boom, it sends it to you. So super simple. And it literally only takes about less than 24 hours for me to see it in my account, in the PayPal. It's very quick. I've never had any issues with it. Okay, so that's it. That's all I wanted to show you today. Paid Viewpoint, I will leave a link in the description if you want to sign up. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, this is one of my favorite sites. I use it every day. And just wanted to show you, hop on here real quick and show you how easy it is to do. Alright? If you like this video, then click the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're interested in signing up for Paid Viewpoint, then go ahead and use that link in the description and start earning your own money. Alright, I will see you guys in the next video.